Hey, welcome to the next video in this series on the Industrial Revolution. My name is Mr. Salagaris and this is part of my Year 8 History Masterclass. Okay, today we're going to be focusing on transport. In our previous videos, we've looked at cottage versus factory production and the agricultural revolution. In our coming videos, we're going to look at child labor industry and whether the Industrial Revolution made the world a better place. Okay, today, let's look at transportation during the Industrial Revolution. So technology and inventions improved the speed and availability, but also the usefulness of transport. Before the Industrial Revolution, travel was expensive and slow. Horse and coach took 10 to 12 days to travel only 640 kilometers. That was before 1836. During the Industrial Revolution, developments meant that the same trip took 2 days in 1836, 12 hours in 1950, and 12 hours in 1950. Transport was important for the delivery and receiving of goods. Okay, so that was important for those factories to be able to get access to things like cotton and coal for the production, and also to be able to ship away or send away those products that they made, the textiles, to be sold to the market around the world. Okay, the main developments that improved transportation were what was known as canals, bridges, railways, and the development of, the improvement of ships and trains. Okay, that transportation decreased the amount of time it took to receive goods and to send goods away or export them, we use that word, and also decreased the cost of those resources such as coal and cotton. That made it way more profitable for businesses during that time. Okay, canals. Canals are man-made waterways. They were generally inland. They were used to transport, for example, coal from mines to factories and mills. They reduced the cost of coal, which then in turn meant that there was a greater profit for the textile industry and a greater demand then for cotton. Roads were maintained better and bridges were built using the iron, which was now available during the Industrial Revolution, to cross waterways more easily. Railways linked industries with mines, mills, and seaports. All of these different transportation technologies and developments improved the speed and availability of resources to those industries, which meant that they could produce greater quantities of goods and also sell them. This was one of the driving forces behind the Industrial Revolution taking off and those industries and that developing. They're the main points from this video. Hey, make sure you watch it again if there was something that you missed, and make sure you stay tuned for our next video in our Industrial Revolution series on child labor. Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Mr. Salagaris, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and like I said before, watch it again if there was something you missed. Hey, thank you.